Doc, meron bang problema kapag kunyari kulang tayo sa vitamin E sa ating katawan?
Very rare naman na nagkakaroon ng vitamin E deficiency, no? Kasi nga, since ang vitamin E, you can take it, nakukuha mo yan sa mga nuts, usually mahilig tayo sa mani. No? So, in any form, mga green leafy vegetable, meron din yan. So, and since the vitamins, these are fat soluble and you don't need that high. But when it comes to talang deficient, yung mga malnourished, no? Usually kasi pag malnourished ka, hindi lang certain vitamins ang nawawala sa iyo. Usually marami, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C. So lahat, no? So there are two kinds of malnourished, no? Yung nakikita natin ang taba-taba niya, kala natin
malusog
healthy
na.
siya. Yung pala malnourished. Then, isa naman makita mo talagang payat na payat, kaya ng mga bata sa Africa. So, that is another form of malnourished. Kasi
pag malaki ang tiyan?
Pag malaki. Maliit, yung mga payat. Tapos, talagang sunken, ang kanyang mukha. Tapos, ang laki ng tiyan, no? Yung isa naman is sobrang taba, pero ang color ng hair niya medyo parang mais. So, makikita mo, these are two form of malnourished. Isang marasmus, isang kwashiorkor. So, these are both hindi lang deficient ang kanilang vitamins, pati na rin sa protein and carbohydrates yung mga ganun.
Oo. Kung kunyari ay meron naman pala tayo nakukuha vitamin E from natural food, katulad ng nuts tsaka vegetables, bakit may pangangailangan na isupplement pa rin natin ang ating katawan ng vitamin E, like tocotrienols?
Yeah, you know, nowadays, if you go to a lot of busy cities, no, metropolis, you can see a lot of factories, a lot of busy ang street, there's a lot of cars. So, makikita mo, there's air pollution coming from the vehicle, there's air pollution coming from the factory. So, marami. Plus, considering also the nature, the lifestyle of the people living, very on the go lahat, no? So, that is also a form of pollutant in the biochemical aspect.
Yung stress?
Yung stress ang tawag. So, all these things, no, pinagsama-sama, plus, kunyari, ang iyong immune system bumababa kasi nga hindi nagiging regular ang diet mo. You don't take regular meals, no, you skip. And then, at the end of the day, at night, you eat a lot. Okay, so baligtad. So, all these things talaga can contribute. The good thing is that, dahil sa sobra ng mga pollutants natin, external and internal, the internal pollutants are the stress. Sila yung nagka-create ng mga radicals sa ating katawan. Ang radicals yan yung mga basura. No? So, itong basurang ito, pag sumobra, dumami, hindi kinakaya ng ating cells ilabas. Kasi minsan makikita mo, pag kunyari may tinatapos kang thesis or project, minsan di ba hindi ka na makakain, hindi ka rin makapupo. So imagine mo, kumakain ka pero hindi ka dumudumi, saan pupunta yun? So umiikot yun sa katawan mo. So in such a time, na yung toxin or yung mga toxic product, byproduct na naiiwan sa katawan mo, nagpo-form na sila. Then ang gagawin nila, i-control na nila yung mga cells. So sa ganun, namamatay ang normal cells mo at nagre-create, nagtra-transform. Yung iba naging malignant. That's why may mga malignancy tayong nakikita ngayon. So these are the things. That's why it's also nice na we also know may mga supplement na vitamins. Kasi itong mga vitamins ito, there are talagang there are high dose vitamin E. So kumbaga naka-skip ka, hindi ka nakakain ng mga vitamin E na natural, which you can get it from natural sources. So, pwede kang mag-take nito. At least, to help your body get rid of those free radicals.
At ito nga, ang maganda rito, meron tayong natural vitamin E sa pamamagitan ng Tocovid. Ito ay may tocotrienols. Anong ibig sabihin ng tocotrienol?
Tocotrienol kasi is composed of double band. No? There's a double band in their chemical composition. So, these are unsaturated fats. Okay? So, itong tocotrienol na may double band, itong unsaturated fat, pag sinabi unsaturated, ibig sabihin, they are so very easy to break and they can easily penetrate in the cell. Okay? Compare mo sa saturated.
Mm-mm.
Okay, saturated, parang yung composition niya very stick together sila. So, mahirap mong putulin.
Mm-mm.
That's why even you take a lot of it, nandyan lang yan sa dugo mo, pero hindi siya pumapasok sa cells mo.
Mhm.
Okay? Or sa tissues mo.
Oo.
Okay.
At ito ay iniinom, itong
Yes.
tocotrienols ng Tocovid, iniinom ito, ano siya, nasa capsules of gel
Capsules.
capsule. Oo.
Yeah, you take it with meals, no?
Oo.
Kasi it's fat soluble.
Mhm.
So, you take it with meals para at least yung absorption, ma-facilitate niya yung absorption.
Dapat ba sa umaga, Doc?
Well, vitamins, there's no fast rule naman, no, when
Mhm.
taking vitamins. Some take it in the morning, some take it in the evening. No?
Mhm. So, kahit na anong oras ay
Yeah,
pwede naman.
there's no fast rule.
Okay.